In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make white spaghetti. I'm just going to boil some spaghetti noodles. I didn't really measure out my amount of noodles, so just however much you want. Next, I'm going to dice half of an onion. My noodles are done. You don't want these to be super done. Have them like al dente because we are going to put them in the sauce. Next, we're going to do the butter. I'm just going to be melting half a cup of butter and adding the onions to it, and you just want to let this saute until the onions get clear, but don't let them burn. Have this probably on low to medium heat. Next, we're going to be putting in 1 block of cream cheese. This part was a little hard. The cream cheese didn't want to melt very well, but if you just continue to break it apart with your spoon, it eventually will. Next, we're putting in crema mexicana. This called for 8 ounces, but I just wanted to put a little bit more, so I ended up using probably half of this jar. Here you can see that the cream cheese finally did melt. You just need to continue to stir this over low heat so it doesn't burn, and it will eventually all melt in together. This was a little too thick for my liking, so I added in some evaporated milk. You can do regular milk, whole milk, whatever kind of milk you have. Next, we're adding in salt. I did 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm putting in a little bit more evaporated milk because it's still a little thicker than I wanted. This is what the consistency will look like up close. Again, don't let it burn, so keep your heat on low. Next, I'm going to start adding in my noodles to my sauce because I don't want to put in too much noodles to my sauce ratio, so make sure you don't. I did have some noodles left over, so this is why I'm adding it in this way. You're just going to toss it together until it combines. And this will thicken up a little bit as it cools, so if you want it back to how it is, the consistency whenever you first make it, just heat it back up. Next, we're going to do some fried plantains, and if you've never made these, you're just going to slice them and you're going to put them into some hot oil. Whenever they've been cooking for about 5 minutes, you're going to take them out and I'm going to mash them. I'm just using a glass cup or a jar, whatever works, just a flat surface, and I'm going to fry them again. So you're basically frying them twice. And you want to have your heat on about medium. This is what they'll look like whenever they're done. You don't want them to be black, then you burnt them. So here I'm just going to plate my finished dish. I have my white spaghetti here, and then I'm just going to put some plantains on the side. And I'm going to pair it with an avocado. And this is my final plate. This was super good. If you guys try it, let us know how you like it.